Before diving deep into the technicalities of substation design, it's important to familiarize ourselves with some fundamental terms that form the backbone of protection and operation in power systems. Non-directional overcurrent protection operates solely based on the magnitude of current without considering its phase angle. It ensures quick action during abnormal current flow. Directional overcurrent protection considers both the magnitude of current and its phase angle with respect to voltage. This adds reliability in interconnected networks. Overcurrent relays respond to AC current and are defined by two key settings: time setting, which determines operation delay, and plug setting, which defines activation current level. Many faults like flashovers are temporary. Reclosure allows automatic re-energization after the arc path deionizes. Low voltage systems allow up to 3 reclosures, while extra high voltage systems typically permit only 1 due to stability risks. A strong understanding of these protection mechanisms is essential before moving into advanced substation design concepts. These basics enhance system reliability and maintain grid stability. Follow V&S Urja for more insights on solar power, substation design, and renewable energy engineering. Learn more at vansurja.com.